Welcome to our channel. In this session, we will discuss some more examples of proving two expressions are logically equivalent expressions without using truth tables. Now consider the first example: negation P and negation Q and R, or Q and R, or P and R. So by deriving this one, we need to get the value of R. We need to get R. Then the two expressions are logically equivalent expressions. Now apply the different laws. Here first Q and R and P and R. Now first I am applying distributive law. By applying distributive law, what is the answer? QRP and R. You know that one. QRP, that is Q and R, P and R. Distributive law is applied. Anyway, this part is same. P and negation Q and R. Then I apply this associative law and then commutative law. What is the reason? The reason is very simple. Your aim is you need to reduce into R. For reduction into R, you need to cancel the two terms either by using tautology or by using contradiction. Now apply. In this, I am doing the associative law. Negation P and negation Q. What I am doing? Negation P and negation Q and R. Just I changed the order. So what is the law I applied? I applied associative law. Here we have the form PQ. For that purpose, I changed this one into PRQ by applying the commutative law. Got the point? Here in the form of PQ, that is changed into PQ. Now negation P and Q. You now apply the De Morgan law. Apply the De Morgan law. How it is changed? Negation of PRQ. You know that one. Negation of PRQ is equal to negation P and negation Q. So the De Morgan law is applied and R, PRQ and R. If you observe the pattern carefully, and R. Now which law? Simply use the distributive law. Simply use the distributive law. How do you apply the distributive law? Negation PRQ. Negation PRQ or PRQ. Negation. So this end is written outside. Distributive law is this end R is written outside. Negation PRQ. First one R operation with negation PRQ. So this is the distributive law. Next we have here, if you observe negation P or negation P, we have a negation law. What is the negation P or negation P? Always that is a tautology. So the result is a tautology. Here the result is a tautology. End operation with R. Tautology end operation with R. Next we have tautology end operation with R. What is the result? If you are using end operation, the result is same. Identity law. The law is identity law. Now what we are getting? We are getting R, that is equivalent to this expression. Now got it? This is the way of proving two expressions are logically equivalent. This is our first example. Clear? Simple thing. The aim is you need to cancel. For that purpose, first reduce by apply the distributive law. Here we have negation P, negation Q appears here. Here P comma Q appears here. For that purpose, I just associative law is applied and change the order. And by applying the De Morgan's law and then distributive law, these two is a tautology. Tautology and or is always are according to identity law. If you remember the laws, it is very easy to derive any logical expression. Clear? Now, move to second example.